what a day, what a day. What up, what up, what up? It's January 5th. I want to tell y'all tomorrow, right? Tomorrow I'm opening up Exotic Spot number 2 in LA. And then on the 15th of January 2021, I'm opening our store in the IE, in the Inland Empire of California, right? In Fontana. But I want to show y'all today how, like, when you get up, you got to understand. You see this? Look where we at. We're on Skid Row. I'm on 7th in the street called Stanford right now, right? Y'all can't really see it because I'm driving, but I want to show y'all something. I want to motivate y'all. Hold on, baby. I want to motivate y'all while I'm up and at it. Y'all see that? We're on Skid Row. I want y'all to really see how, I want y'all, when y'all wake up, just to understand that y'all blessed no matter what position you in. No matter what position you in, understand there's always somebody doing better than you, and there's always somebody doing better than you. A lot of people hit me up asking, like, man, you got out, you doing good, you you know, you own business and stuff like that. But look, bro, I was in the jail cell for a long time, and I had to really tell myself, no matter what, I got years to do, but there's people in here that's never coming home. And there's some people that's about to go home tomorrow. So it's some people that's always doing better than you, and there's some people that's always doing worse than you. Right now, like I said, I'm on Skid Row in downtown. And the crazy part about downtown LA, one part you could be where it's nice and it's good. The next part you could be where it ain't nothing but businesses and people sitting on the ground like that. You feel me? Tents and Skid Row and stuff like that, right? So it just humbled me and make me understand that in life, we gotta treasure what we got and use the tools of what we got and take to where we get to where we're going. Y'all see this? My windows messed up and all that stuff, but I want to show y'all. Y'all see that? Look. Look, it could get worse, bro. But so, you see these people down here using the tools, look. Tents, look. Some people using tarps. Some people using bike frames. Some people using pallets. Look over there, pallets. Using pallets to just to have a roof over their head, so when it get rain and it cold out here, they can survive. Look at this, bro. So I want y'all to really see and assess the situation. Look, people using cardboard boxes. Look. So with that being said, when you get up and you wake up every morning, just know that you doing better than most, and some people doing better than you. And you got to keep striving. Whatever the situation, just know some people is doing better than you. And some people is doing gooder than you. You just got to keep striving to better you as a person. So here I am. I'm striving down here. And look, everywhere I go down here, I see is people that's doing. And what I stopped and paused, because I don't want to say doing better than me or doing, I don't know what they doing, but how it look, it don't look good. But you never know. Some people might find happiness in this type of stuff. Just because you got a lot of money, that don't make you happy. You kind of get what I'm saying? They roll up my window. So with that being said, I want y'all to really take and understand from this video that stop waking up saying what you don't got. Stop waking up feeling, oh, I'm in this position, so I'm not going to make it. You never know. It's people, look, these people, look. Look at these people. Look, I just want y'all to see. These people is down here right now, right? Look at them. Living their life, bro. Living their life. Just what's going on right now could be fucked up, but they living their life. Look, people done built tents. Look, bedrooms. Look, y'all see that? Look, jacuzzis. Y'all see that? People is making the best out of a fucked up situation. So what make your situation more messed up than the next person's? And make you more needed than the next person. Everybody got a struggle in life, bro. Straight up. Don't take your struggle and just feel depressed and down. Shit happens in life. Just keep going. Shit happens in life and keep going, nigga. I just wanted to motivate y'all today and let y'all see, like, it's always somebody doing better than you, bro. It's always somebody doing gooder than you. The key thing is what? To keep going. Look. Look. Look, I come down here. Look right here. Look. These people right here in home, look, right here, these people selling stuff. Look, what I'm trying to show y'all is how fast and easy life can switch up on you, and you could be going down a whole different route and messed up, but still living, still surviving, still going and never giving up. Look, look, she can't walk. She got to get across the street like that. Look at these cars. She can't walk. Look. And it's green light. I'm going to let her go. The police behind me. Police behind me. Y'all see them? Look, I'm going to let her go. Look. Instead of somebody helping her push her across, they rather blow at her. They rather hunk at her. They don't know what's her struggle. You see that? So I'm going to let her go. I want a red light. Now, the police behind me. I'm going to accept that the police behind me. See that? The police behind me. I'm going to accept that they behind me. Probably get pulled over. I don't know. But at the end of the day, like I said, everybody's situations different. We all got our own handprints. We all came into this world, unless we twins and triplets, by ourselves. Even twins and triplets got our own handprints, meaning we got our own story to tell. You don't know what made this lady happen to get in that wheelchair where she can't cross, but a young brother could ride by on a scooter like that and keep going. You don't know. Everybody's life is different. We all come from a different struggle. The real key is to keep going. It's just like, for example, I don't know if these police behind me want to pull me over, but guess what? They probably look at me. They don't know my life story until they pull me over, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try not to get pulled over, even though I'm on this phone. So look at him. Look, he was ready to go. I'm trying to get on, y'all. Even though, okay, they kept going. They not behind me no more. So this is where I'm at. Let me show y'all. I just want to show y'all. See where I'm at now? Look. Show y'all how fast shit can change. Just the other blocks, just a couple blocks ago. Just a couple blocks ago, right? It was nothing but skid row, tents, and homeless people. Around the corner, here it is, the host of this. Everybody around the world come to this place and sell stuff. You feel me? Come to this place and sell stuff. And it's all around the world. People just come from right here, and around the corner, you got people that's homeless in tents. Look, watch this. This block right here. Y'all see this block? It's the lights, but let me show y'all. Now watch when I turn this corner on. Look, right across the street, look at these people. Look. And you see it ain't just black people. You can't say just black people. Look, white people, Chinese people. Look, right across the street. Wholesales in the world. People come down here. People come down here from all over the world. Let me bust this U-turn, y'all, because I'm driving. I'm trying to get to it, but I want to motivate y'all to let y'all know, no matter what, my lips getting dry, because I'm really serious. I want y'all to know, listen, you might be going something through your business. You might be going through something in your personal life. You might be going through whatever you're going through. I want you to know somebody going through something worse. It's just like I was sitting up thinking to myself, like, damn, I got these houses out of state I got to get to. I got these stores I'm steady open. I got to worry about my workers. I got to worry about my kids. I got to worry about bills after bills. It seems like a bill come every other week instead of every other month. I got to worry about that. But guess what? I'll be stressed out at sometimes. Then I remember, like, man, shit, there's people that's doing worse than me. It's people that wish they had businesses, that wish they had property in a different state that they lead to their kids. And it's people that got 1 million properties and a million business and don't care. And they doing better than me. It's going to be like that. People doing better than me. People doing worse than me. It's going to be like that. But I'm about to do some, I ain't going to say illegal stuff, but I'm about to double park right quick. Hopefully I don't get a ticket. But I'm about to come get some of these masks because I like giving out masks to my customers in my stores. You feel me? And so with that being said, one thing for sure, two things for certain, right? You are not going to survive stressing about what you don't got, a problem that could happen, anything could occur, stuff like that. You have to worry about what's what. You kind of get what I'm saying? You have to worry about your life and live your life. You can't worry about what you don't got. You got to worry about what you do got and take the tools that you do got and utilize them and win with them. You can't worry about what you don't got and be stressed out. Oh, I don't got this. He got that. She got that. Oh, I can't. No. take what you got and utilize. I just showed y'all these people on Skid Row, nowhere to go, homeless, raining. It's been raining like a motherfucker out here, everything else. And guess what? They gonna survive. So I gotta get out this car, y'all. I gotta go get these masks and these bags and shit from my store to give out to my customers when they come. Some people coming in with no mask. And you know, with this corona stuff, I'm ripping and running. With this corona stuff, we trying to you know, follow the rules and stuff like that. So that's different stuff we gotta go by. So like I said, now people probably see like, oh shit. He building, he gonna go get stuff for a store. Now there's people that don't gotta go do nothing for their store. They work, they got other people going to do everything. All they do is sit up and collect. It's called passive income. I'm trying to find my key. All right, here I am, ripping and running. Let me take y'all in here right quick. Shut up, stop blowing at me. Gotta go. All right, I'm gonna see y'all later. I gotta go, people. Y'all see where I'm at? Y'all see where I'm at? Yep. Downtown. I'm gonna show y'all something, right? Give y'all some more free game. At the end of this video, some free game. Here we go. 11 minutes in. Everybody be trying to, look, let me show y'all something. Y'all see this? These blue masks, they sell them all over LA for $5. I'm gonna show y'all where to come get them for $1.99, $2 a box. You take this box of 50 masks and you sell it for motherfucking, and you sell this box right here for motherfucking $5. So you buy it for $2 and you sell it for $5. These are my people in here. It's all different type stuff. So I'm gonna show y'all where to come get this. Y'all wanna figure out where to get these masks and stuff from? Hit me up.